Right, we're recording on progress also. Okay, so we can start for tonight again. So we keep continue, right? So far in IPv6 lab, we already have these two link, the VPLS, right? So we already crossed in here. So we just show one more time in here. Show IP show IP no, I think show BGP. We're going to be reversed here. P6 show BGP IPv6 summary. No, unicast. Just don't forget unicast and then summary. Is that the right command? Yes, it should be right command, right? Yeah, IPv6 and then unicast and then yeah, and then summary. Did I save it? Actually, which router I tried it? Yeah, right. Show run F0/0. Hold on, what's going on? Yeah, IP address there. Okay, maybe show IPBGP. Show IPBGP. No, I don't think so. This is IP4, right? This is IPv4. Yeah. Okay, let me see. Hold on. What's going on? Did I save it? No, not. Let's show run again section. Router BGP. See, that is the reason. Okay, remember, see, because we put it in here, right? Because this is something in between the IP4 and IPv6 format, right? And also, like, because it's unicast, so we need to activate, right? Okay,
Right.
so yeah, she said let's put the refresh. Okay, let me see. Did I save the other side? The other side. Should be this is the router. Let me see. Cancel it. Okay. Show run section BGP. I save it. No, interesting. Okay, just quick refresh. No, just router. Not big deal. Okay, router here, right? And then we're going to say address, right? You address memory, so IPv6, and then unicast, and then we're going to be just like our neighbor. Just put the neighbor here. Where is our neighbor? Just the neighbor here, right? So here neighbor, you see, activate. You see, and then also I believe we have a, and then we have a network, and then we have the 2001 dot dot dot, and then this is the host number 8, right? You see, 8/128. So we're going to advertise this network. All right, just make sure I'm going out. I'm going to save it first. All right, let's go back to here again. Let's click here. Same thing again in here. Just go back to this router, right? And then address again. Family IPv6. Okay, and then unicast. And then we're going to say same thing again. We're going to say our neighbor. We want to activate. See, because it's the menu, right? To activate it. And then we same thing again. In here, we have a network. So we have a network in here, and then that is the 201 dot dot. And then this is number 5 and /128. Let's see. And then why maybe we should advertise this one also. The one that what's subnet? I forgot. Show run section. No, show run. No, do show run. We make sure we're using do command in this level. Do show run interface F0/0. Yeah, this is the network that we need to advertise. You see, just put the network. We need to advertise this connect to into the BGP. Okay, so we exit out and then make sure I write again in here. So let's go back to here again. So just make sure we advertise same thing in here. F0/0. We're going to come to key. We're going to say router again, 65006. We want to go to address family again here, IPv6, unicast, and then we're going to be advertise with this network. So we just grab this one here, put it in here. All right, so we don't have it's a little bit different in here. We're not using IP4. We have to like put the network and then your subnet and then followed by the mask, like net mask like that, 255, something like that. But in IPv6, we can just use the prefix. Okay, it's more easy, you know. So here again, we save it again, and then let's do again. Show IP, show BGP IPv6. And then unicast summaries. Beautiful. Look at that. And then we got one prefix in here. That is the loopback. So we can show BGP IPv6 just unicast. Hit enter. See, we got the here. See, we got the this is our local, and this is the wait a second here. Okay, we got this one. Is this one happy or not? Hmm? Oh, it's under this one, this network, because we advertise this network. Okay, good. All right, but where is the loopback? We don't see the loopback, right? So in here, do we advertise the loopback? We should show IPBGP, show BGP IPv6, and then say just hit enter. Hmm. Where is the loopback? Okay, maybe did we do some wrong? Let's again look back. Let's see, do we have a loop back? What is our loop back? Not in here. Oh, we missed again? Oh, show IP interface brief. No wonder. Yeah, no wonder. See? Ah, that's no wonder. Yeah. Okay then. Because show run interface. Just look back. Yeah, no wonder. Yep. Okay. So easy enough. So we go to interface. We go back to this loopback again because this is management interface, right? So we want to in here. We want to say first thing we have to say IPv6 enable, right? We need to enable first. So we IPv6 we enable. After we enable, and the same thing in here. So IPv6, right? Address, you see, and then we just grab that one 2001 the global, and then we duck because we have a thing like /32 like 0000. So we don't want to put all like this, you know, like this, and then blah 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 like that, you know, something that's kind of format. So we just shortcut, just become like this. Okay, and then just take the host, the last host. This one should be 5. Okay, this should be fine. Did we do correct router? Yeah, I think we have correct router. BPLS, yeah. So, oh, this is the loopback. Oh, so this is the loopback IP address, 196. Okay, because this is between this in here. So last time we demo, this is the loopback. Ah, okay. So wrong. So we go back to here again. See, and then we go back to here. You see, that is the format in here. See, so this IP address will be 2001, right? And then column, okay, and then say 192, and then column, and then 168, and then 1, 5. Is that right? And then we have a slash. Oh, I forgot. How many bits do we use for /24. Remember? Oh no. This one here because we only one IP, right? Yeah, I think we're using the subnet. We need the IP calculator or something like that. But in this case, if we just take the because then because this is cross this link, right? This is cross the link because this is the link interface. Hold on, this is the link interface. This is not the loopback interface. That is on the link. That should be do show. Don't confuse. Do show run interface f0/0. That is should be in here. That that is the IP slash 120. You see slash 20. Okay, so don't confuse. Okay, so let's go back to here again. Yeah, we are in the right. So we're in the right in here, right? So in here. So we're going to say IP. Oh, this is a make sure don't forget again enable. You see, and then we're going to be IPv6 address to global, and then we're going to put one more to duck duck, and then this is number 8, and then we're going to be slash 28, 128 because it's one host, and then exit out, write it, and then same thing. Go back to here. Oh no, this is come on. This one it should be 6 because you see in here because we're in the wrong router. This is should be what I'm doing. This should be this should be 5, right? 6 5 because we follow the here. So, all right, let's go back again. That's not big deal. So go back to here again. Router, just make sure we correct it. No, BGP 65005. We want to go to address again. IPv6 unicast, and then we want to say network in here. So we're going to say 201 dot dot. First string in here, this is 5, so slash 128, right? Just make sure again, exit out. Make sure we have in the our let's say do show IP interface brief. So do show, make sure do we configure show run interface, the loopback 999, hit enter. Yeah, so this is wrong. So we need to correct it, right? So we're going to take this one out. So we put we need to change it back to 5. Okay, this is make sure it's see on the bottom here in 5. Oh, wait a second. Did we correctly? Oh, we're still not in the interface yet. So there is a loopback interface 999. So let's copy it out again in here. Yeah, we change it now. Okay, so let's do click in here first. Show run. Just make sure we router BGP. Let's make sure we do correctly. All right, so we don't have a typo issue. We have we have this one correctly. We have activate. This is the direct connect link. Yep, that should be good. So let me save it again first in here. Let's jump back to here first. Let's see in here, just verify again. Show run section router BGP. Make sure we have same thing in here. Yeah, this should be no, this should be doc6, right? So we correct it. So go back config T again. Okay, and then go to router BGP 65006. So we're going to be say address again. We have to go to every time. Make sure we have to go to unicast, right? And then we're going to say, oh, we're going to be this one here. All right, first thing in here, say for example, because this is typo, right? So we're going to be remove it. You see, no network this one, so we're going to remove it, and then we're going to copy paste again, and then we change this one to 6. You see here, beautiful. Okay, so 1 again, save it first. So and then show run, and then just double check section router BGP. Just make sure that we have get everything correctly in the configuration file. So let me double check the network. Yes, beautiful. Yep. And then we have 6 here, activate here. That's good. So now we show BGP IPv6, right? Just hit enter. So now what network we got? Oh, beautiful. Look at that. We got the neighbor is up, and then we got the direct connect. Now we should be able to ping. You see ping, right? IPv6 here. So we can just ping there 201.5, the neighbor. Beautiful. See? So now we go back. Oh, wait a second. No. What? Okay. Do you want to know? A mistake. Okay, go to here again. Right. So in this here, show again BGP IPv6. Hit enter. Okay. So now that is the same thing that is our neighbor. Wait a second. Wait. This is 5, and this is should be, what is 5? And this should be 6, right? Did we miss? Do we miss again in here? Oh, come on. Show run section router BGP. What's going on? Ah, yeah. No. See, this one is correct, right? It's a 6. You see here is a 6. So show interface, maybe in the show interface brief. Do we have a loopback? Show run interface loopback 999. Oh, no wonder. Okay, so that is the issue. Okay, so we have this, go back again 999 here. See, hit enter, and then IPv6 enable. You see, and then we go to IPv6 address, and then we're going to be 201 here. This should be .6/128, right? Okay. So verify again, show run interface loopback 999. Do we have it? Yeah, see, we have it right now, right? So now go back to, before we go back, it's better save it first. Just instead we forgot again. So go back to here. So we refresh again in here. Yeah, but where is this coming from? Okay, so where this is coming from? But this is coming from here. See, let's go back to here. Do we advertise 5? That's interesting. Show run first section router BGP. See, we only have a 6 in here. What happened to 5? Yeah, we don't have a 5. We only advertise 6. Okay. This is maybe not right. Okay, this is the, this is a local. It sounds like we have assigned something in here in local. Oh, okay. So let me see, show interface brief again. Show run interface loopback 999. Oh yeah, this is correct. See, so this is not right. So this is fine, right? So this is fine. So let's go back again in here. Just fix this one here. Let's make sure we start clean up again. Know this IP because this is not right. This is stay with 5. Okay, so now, okay, so show run section router BGP. Okay, just double check. We are 5. We are 5. We are on this router. We are on this router. Correct. 5. And then we should be sending to the other side. And this side, we should be learning 6. Just make sure we're learning 6 from our neighbor. Yeah, this is correct. This is our local. This is correct. From our next hub is from the, see, next hub is 16. Okay, from the neighbor. Correct. All right, save it. And then verify this one again. Just do the same thing in here. Show IP. Show BGP IPv6. Hit enter. Yeah. So we have, yep, we have a 6 as local. We got here as 5. Yep, beautiful. So now let's both complete. We finish first right here. We right here. Okay. So now we finish here now, the management IP, right? So in our assignment in here, because we want to testing or with the IPv6, right? Because we say we run out the IP address IPv4, or also our network engineer could be want to be challenged IPv6 in our production, right? So for example, in here we have a domain controller. So domain controller IPv4 10.100.40.100, right? Because we want to add IPv6 in here. So for those kind of have a dual network protocol, like a Windows stack like that, IPv4, IPv6. So either one, the computer, they can use IPv6 also. Okay, so in this case, so we have to, from our side here, we already good in here, right? We already good in here because this is our we take care of our WAN link first, right? Everything in here, we already have in here, but then we have to keep continue now, and also we have a VPLS. But right now, maybe we hold it first. We hold off because we call Verizon, right? Because Verizon, because the backbone they have their own MPLS, right? Because we need to request say, hey, we need to they have to be enabled on their side too, IPv6, because for turn up for peer IPv6 with our, because we call PE, and this is our customer, so between PE and CE. Okay, so we want to turn on in here, right? But since here Comcast VPLS, because this is direct connect, so because with instead like MPLS, so this is direct connect, so this is we manage our own, so we don't have to wait for Comcast to turn on something like that. This is layer 2. Okay, so this is like a direct connect between these two routers, so we can just go ahead. All right, so we hold off about MPLS, right? So let's focus in our objective in here first. So let's see if because we don't want to complicate it, right? Let's see for now, can we like access between this data center and this data center, just the IPv6 for this server. And also we have another server in here, IPv6, right? This is the main controller 2, you see. They want to be synced together with IPv6, right? And then just cross the VPLS in here. Okay. So now, since this link is ready in here, so now we have to be extended, right, to here. Right, so now, okay, since when we want to extend it to here, let's take care of our backbone. So let's look at here in here, our core switch 2 here, right? This is our core switch 2, because we want the same thing again. We will need to enable it. And let's go to cancel it. Let's see, can we do it or not? Okay, so we are in the core switch 2 in here, right? Let's review what we have in here. All right, so show IP interface brief first, right? So we have everything in here. See, this is the from IPv4 lab, right? Same thing. We're not worried about in loopback first, right? We're not worried about in loopback. We just want to pair with this one, right? So for example, what is this pair? This is F0/1. F0. Okay, so let's find out in here, right? So let me make more screen here. Okay, so this interface. So we first thing in here, we show IP interface brief first. Summary. Do we have a BGP? Yeah, we have BGP. Oh, what is it? What is happening here? Oh, because maybe some, okay, maybe some is not turned on. Okay, so if you want to troubleshooting something like that, we want to find out why this is not. See, why is this is not active? And what is this neighbor? Well, for now we're not worried about this one first. Okay, so for now we're not worried about first. Okay, so we have a BGP enable running on this core switch here. Okay, so here F0/1 show run in here first. So run interface F0/1. You see here. Okay, this is the we're using /24. Okay, so this is connected to the VPS router. Okay, that we will that expect, you know. Okay, connect to this neighbor. Okay, so we want to turn on here between this link here with IPv6, right? So okay, so let's grab in here first, but make sure again one more time. See, because this on the global command, we have to be turned on first IPv6 and then routing. Do we have a routing? Routing. No, IPv6 unicast. Yeah, unicast routing. So we have to turn on, we have to enable first on the global command. It's telling, say, hey, I want to run, okay, IPv6. You see, this is the first we need to turn on. And then we go to, what is the interface again? F0/1, right? So let's go back to here. Yeah, F0/1. Hit enter. Same thing again in here. We want to enable first. You see, we have to enable first. All right, so it's going to be ready. And then IPv6 now, we're going to be addressed. So we're going to be duplicate in here. You see, we're going to be duplicate. So the easy way, we grab this one like this. The easy way, we want to grab this one like this because we want to use the IPv format, right? Once we grab this one here, you see here, we're going to change one dark. We can change this column, okay? Remove this one like this, see, because this is IP6 format, you see. First, we change this one first, okay? So now we have to put one more here. So we have, no, not this one. So we put one more here, and then we put the 2001, the global, you see? Okay, so this 2201, blah, blah, blah. If you want to go back to here, you see this is the IP. See, we have a two column here, right? 128, blah, 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 128. Okay, so we go back to here again. So make sure we have so make sure we miss one in here. See, we miss one. So we have to put here, you see 2001, two column, and then 10, blah, 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 looks good. And then we're going to be same thing, slash 120. Got it? You see here? Yeah, so just like that, you see. So now let's do show run again, interface F0/1. Make sure we have IPv6, beautiful. And then we can show IPv6, just interface like that. Oh, do show IPv6 interface, no? Yeah, you see, beautiful. Okay, so now now we want to do the same thing again. We want to go to the router BGP, right? So let me see this one. What is the configuration? Oh, do we have? Oh, okay, I forgot this one. Okay, not big deal. So before we go to here first, let's go back. Let's clean up here, clear some space here. Okay, show again. Show run section router BGP. You see here. Oh, come on. Did I type? Okay, I type typo. Router BGP. Okay. Yep. And then we're going to complete here again. So we're going to grab this one here this time. Okay. So we hit enter. And then we're going to specify here address, right? IPv6. Here. Now, before we do this one, we can put the neighbor again. So neighbor, same thing in here. See, we grab the neighbor. Now, before we grab the neighbor here, show run. Before we run the neighbor, let's do the other side first. Right, let's do the other side first. So we already completed IPv6 in here. Let's finish this one first here. So this is same thing under this router here. This is the VPLS router. Let's move it to here on. Okay, so this is a switch. This is the router. This is same thing F0/1. You show run section router BGP. Okay, so we want to say show run interface f0/1. Okay, same thing in this side. So we're going to say config key again in here f0/1 IPv6 and enable it, and then IPv6 again address. We're going to grab this one again. You see, one more time. Okay, so we modify first here. Replace by this. You see, replace by this. Okay, and then we put the dark 2 column, and then we put the 001, and then the last one we put /120. Okay, so when we have the IP address in here, and then we go to the router interface here. Okay, so we go back to here, right? And then here, and then we're going to say neighbor. And then the neighbor, we should be grab this one here. This is the neighbor. So this neighbor here, the IP address is, what is that? Oh, come on. Do show run interface f0/1. So this is the neighbor. So this is the neighbor. So we go back to here again. So this is the neighbor, and then we're going to say remove AS. So what is the remove AS? Same thing we just grab from here. This is the code switch 2. This one. Okay. So we go back to here and then hit enter. After that, and then we're going to be address IPv6. You see, and then unicast. Then we need to advertise this network, right? So we could just advertise this network here, this network here. You see, hit enter. Okay, so now we save it first in here. Okay, so now we jump to this side. So this side should be show run interface f0/1. Wait a second. Oh no, this one. Okay, should we go back to this one? Oh wait. Oh, come on, don't mix up here. Let me close this one first. It's a little bit okay, hold on, disconnect this one. Yep. So let's focus in here. Make sure we do correctly. So this is the. Let's see. Hold on here. Something just confused. Show run section. Just be careful in the production like this. That's why we have to do in the paperwork first. Make sure the peer check. All right. So let's see here. Make sure we do everything correctly. First, show run interface f0/1, right? So make sure we have a dark 4. If we agree, dark 4, yeah, 4545, good. And then show run in here section router BGP. Just make sure we have a 45. So we have a neighbor. Do we have a neighbor? Neighbor is a 43. Okay, good. And then we advertise the whole 45 network here. Okay, good. Okay. So now when we go back to here, so I'm still in the BGP table. So I'm going to say our neighbor, right? So our neighbor, the IP address, so neighbor should be here. So let me go back. So this is our neighbor. So neighbor should be this one here. So this should be the neighbor. All right, remove AS. Remove AS should be this one, 61. Hit enter. Okay, and then address again, IPv6 unicast. So we need to advertise our local subnet. This is our local subnet here. All right, hit enter. All right. Oh wait, send to peer. Something wrong. The wrong peer. What do you mean? Wrong is something wrong. AS. Uh-oh. Oh wait a second. Do we do something mistake in here? Let's hold on. We have something messed up. You see? Show run section again. Router BGP. What is the mess up? Why is not happy with the AS number? Okay, this one the 25502, and then to our neighbor. The Oh, sorry, hold on. Yeah. This neighbor should be 65005. You see? Ah, okay. Got it. See, sometimes you have to review it from the topology, something like that, and then let's do quick in here. Let's do quick. Oh, come on. Okay. But let's quick. Okay, let's quick here first. Let's grab this one here first, and then we go. We have something maybe wrong in here. Hmm. All right. So we'll go to topic T, router BGP. This is 65002. Hurry up. I need to know. I need to remove this one first. The IPv6. This is the wrong AS number. Got it. All right. So I'm going to refresh it again in here. This one, the neighbor should be 65005. Should be this one. All right. So now, okay, didn't complain. That's good. Then show IPBGP. No, show BGP IPv6 summary. No, it's not. Yeah, summary first. Let me see. Just okay. So double check. Do we activate? You see, show run again section router BGP. While we're talking, while we're troubleshooting, we forgot to activate. Right? We forgot to activate. Yep. So go back router 65002 address family IPv6 unicast, and then we're going to say our neighbor. This is our neighbor here. No, not this one. This one. This is our neighbor. So make sure our neighbor. We're going to activate. Hit enter. All right. So now same thing in here. We're doing in here. Do we have activate in here? Show run section. Router BGP. All right. Just double check. Yeah, we have activate in here. Should be formed now. Show BGP IPv6 summary. Beautiful. You see? Right? So now in here, if we go back to here again, this should be up. Now we show again in here, show show BGP IP